Programming constructs. You have designed a program, but the program will process and produce an accurate output only if you have the right programming constructs. What are programming constructs? The order in which programming statements are to be executed, or the manner in which the flow of control of a program has to be directed, is controlled by the programming constructs. Programming constructs can be classified into three types: sequence, selection, and repetition. In sequence construct, the instructions get executed sequentially one after the other till the last line of the program. From our daily life, the steps for kneading a dough resemble sequence construct. In computer programming, the area and perimeter of a rectangle are to be calculated. For that, we first input the length and breadth of the rectangle. Using these input values, the area and perimeter of the rectangle are calculated and printed, and the program ends. This type of execution is called sequence construct. In selection construct, the execution of instructions depends on several conditions. If a condition is true, the computer executes a set of lines of the given code. In case the condition is false, the computer then executes the other lines of code. Since the selection construct helps in decision-making, it is also called decision-making construct. From our daily life, the condition of wearing a hat only if the weather is sunny resembles selection construct. In computer programming, to find out that a person is eligible to vote, keeping the condition that he or she must be 18 or above 18 years old is an example of selection construct. For that, we input the age. The computer checks if the age is equal to or greater than 18. If yes, then the message "eligible to vote" is printed. If not, then the message "not eligible to vote" is printed, and the program then ends. In repetition construct, a set of instructions are repeated multiple times using a loop or iteration. A loop can be defined as the execution of a set of instructions or program statements multiple times till the condition is satisfied. From our daily life, the action of spinning a hula hoop around the body 50 times resembles repetition construct. In computer programming, displaying the word "programming" 5 times is executed by using the repetition construct. The counter is initialized with the count as 1. It meets the given conditions that the count is less than or equal to 5 and prints the word "programming." Since the next instruction increases the count by 1, the count becomes 2 and steps 3 and 4 are repeated. The count continues as long as value of count is less than or equal to 5, the condition after which the program ends. Programming constructs form the basis for all programs as they control how the programming instructions will be executed by the computer.